Here's an unboxing video, guys. I got through Amazon. Now let's try and crack this sucker open. Put it right here. Now, if you guys don't really know me that well, I'm a big Resident Evil fan. And I haven't played this game in I don't know how long. And it's good to finally have it again. But, I used to love the shit out of this game. I hope it's not, like, broken, though. Shockingly, no. Huh. Alright, sweet. There's the game pamphlet thing. Alright, cool. I'm happy. I'm going to record some of this right now. So, stay tuned, guys.